Hey everybody, I just want to give a little quick snow update on some things. So I'm going to do a few model runs here for you. We're going to first take a look at the GFS. Um, so let's take a look at the GFS forecast loop for how much snow we're going to possibly get in the next 24 to 36 hours. I'm going to look at, we're going to take a look at the GFS. We're going to use the Kuchera ratio. So you can see Northern Illinois right here. Let's run a little loop. See the timing on this snowfall. So you see the GFS coming in, and you can see that's about the end of the storm. That's Monday. So as a matter of fact, we probably want to go back to Monday, 3 o'clock in the morning. Looks like that's about the time the snowfall is going to about stop in Northern Illinois. Um, so we'll stop there and see how many inches they're saying on the GFS. So little northwest Illinois, maybe 8 to 10. Come here near the city, we're looking at maybe 10 to 12 inches here on the GFS. So let's run a quick model run on the NAM, North American model. Let's check out the snowfall ratio for the NAM. It's a little more bullish, I would think. So take a look at the NAM model here. And I'll go back a couple. That looks about the end of the snowfall here, and that's it's lined up with the GFS pretty well. You can see 9 to 10 here. In further northwest you go out of the city, maybe a little bit less. And then even all the way down south to like Peatone, you got about a half a foot of snow there on the GFS, on the NAM model. So this is a little bit less than the GFS was showing. Let's take a look at the HRRR. Let's take a look at that loop and see what that comes up with. This is let's see this. Okay, let's see the timing here. This is about 1300 Z. Let's go on and look at the snowfall totals as the evening goes on. And as I go through, you can see this swath of snow just piles up in the Chicago Northwest area. So that looks about the end of the snow here on Monday, 5 in the morning. Let's take a look. So we got in the city, maybe a little north of the city, you're looking at 14 inches maybe. 10 along the lake. You can see this lake enhancement here. And then the further northwest out you go, you got about 7 or 8. Around down this area, near Sandwich, where I grew up, it looks about maybe 8. So anywhere in between, I would say 8 to 12 for our area. More if you're closer to the city or north of the city. So that's the update as of now.